breathing more beautifully, more deeply, more relaxed, thanks to high sensitivity. Isn't that wonderful? Feel down into your belly, your pelvis, your legs, your feet. And with your hands, invite the air, the energy, to flow gently forward below and flow back again and go along with the body a bit. Then let one leg go along with you as you flow forward. Turn your hands, stream back mindfully, and do the same with the other leg the next time. Rolling off your toes when you touch down will make your stepping softer and more relaxed. You can also do this backwards. Relax, let go, feel far down, and let your legs go along with you. Enjoy being below the diaphragm. When your lower system is relaxed and has a calm rhythm, your breath can let go. Let your breath go along as it wants and find its own rhythm. Slowly move the hands from the heart downwards. And slowly come back to the heart. You may feel that all your cells exhale deeply and relaxed as you go down, and become full and round again as you come up. Let your breath find its own rhythm. Don't tie it to the movement. Now comes a third important step for the breathing of highly sensitive people. We want to understand. Make this breathing movement of the arms horizontally forward and back again. Do you notice how your breath goes along with it? But freely, and how it can go far back into the behind. Now do it with one arm and let consciously go when turning. Absorb what is there. Then it becomes like an understanding, right down into the body's feeling. Then take the other arm. Slow. Let go. absorb, understand, stream, immerse, let go, absorb, understand, let go. Understand. How does that work? How do your cells breathe? And how do you breathe?